Kah tenat pulit jong ka jela Meghalaya kala pelong ika jinyalang bakerki paling gehe pulit ban yamer jingmut halol ke jingja kablaja hanong ba Tura ha kamit jong ka arsau trik unaitung araja fulai. Ya kate jinyalang gehe pulit la pelong ha ka arsau trik unaitung aja fulai. Ha ka bau DGP Dr. RL Bisnoy loitu ba ha kate jingja pen Kulmar kadai kabaladan jingmut Lupa. Ulong ru bakumba aflung ri gibreu la suba bagidan keti ha kate jingja pen Kulmar snong. Ban na peneng jongki gumba afung ri gibra suba dan keti layo ban kem no eki. La ban kedau ba kate jingja pen Kulmar snong kadai ha ka jingalang ka bau menteri rang ba konrat konggal sama uladul menta ha kate ka nong ba hari luam ka.
Injured, the 10 Meghalaya police personnel, 8 male and 2 females. The one home guard, the lady home guard was also injured, and the 7 CRPF police personnel also got physical injuries. So in total, the total 18 personnel got injured. After the incident, unfortunate incidents, the police rescued the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister went to his residence, and he appealed all the citizens to maintain peace and calm. So total, yesterday night, the police whole night conducted a massive search after identifications of the accused. With the help of the video footage given by the press reporter, we have identified total 26 numbers of the culprits who indulged in unprovoked violence, and then total 19 number of the accused so far arrested. Out of 19, the 17 are female and 2 are the male accused. We also identified one of the main conspirator, Salseng R. Marak, who was earlier police, I think RC, and in 2012 he was dismissed from the service for prolonged absence, and he now has affiliations with some political party because he tried to contest elections, MDC elections from the CU of the South Garo Hill districts. So now situation is under fully control, and I categorically state here that we will not spare anyone, whoever indulged in the violence and tried to cause damage to the vehicles of government officials and also try to attack the Chief Minister. They will not be spared, and they will be behind the bar soon. Police is on hunt for most of the conspirators. They have been identified, and the police is conducting consistently raid since last night. And we have deployed extra forces there, and I have sent the IGP land order to camp there and monitor the whole situation. So now situation is under fully control, and the CRPF and the 2nd Meghalaya Police Battalion personnel are deployed. We have registered a case. The complaint was lodged by the Meghalaya Civil Service officer, Mr. Dapling D. Sangma, and on the basis of he was duty magistrate, on the basis of his complaint, we have registered a case, that is a Mai Police Station case number 16/23 under various sections of IPC. We have also applied the section of the Meghalaya Maintenance Public Order Act 2010 and the PDPP Act, that is a Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984. And other than that, we have seized substantial numbers of the incriminating materials from the place of occurrence that indicates that the whole incident was pre-planned and conspiracy was hatched to attack Honorable Chief Minister and cause physical damage to him. So far we have charged, and when the crowd did not budge, then ultimately the police fired the few tear smoke shells. And after a great, the actions, ultimately the crowd dispersed after 2 hours. For 2 hours, the crowd, initially they dispersed, formed small groups in the nearby hillocks, and they started pelting stones intermittently. Because of that, it continued for almost 2 hours. So in the whole actions, we had during the post-incident investigation stage, the Tura police, they found that it was the pre-planned conspiracy to attack Honorable Chief Minister and to damage him physically. Why they are saying like this? Because they gathered clinching evidence that money was distributed on 23rd July to some of the youths to create the scene violence there on the sites. Secondly, on the 23rd July, the many bottles of liquors were distributed to the youth, and the many youth, they came with the plastic jerrycans full of the kerosene along with matchboxes and the lighters, and the many stones were lying there, and the tent were pitched, so that is why the bamboos were also available. And on the sports, they started giving inciting speeches where the Honorable Chief Minister was abused and threatened. And they provoked the crowd to cause physical damage to Honorable Chief Minister, and even they insisted that we can go for the extreme step like murder, etc.